What Carvana's business plans are for the future after reporting over $1 billion in losses in 2022, where you can expect to see an expanded charging network in the near future, and when Ford's Louisville assembly plant is now supposed to reopen. Good morning, I'm Kristen Strakalitis. Welcome to First Shift. More on those stories in a moment, but first, your next electric Audi could qualify for the $7,500 EV tax credit. This is because VW Group may build an EV factory in the U.S. to take advantage of the subsidies offered through the Inflation Reduction Act. Audi CEO says no final decisions have been made yet on an EV factory. Production on the Scout, now an electric light truck brand, is scheduled to begin in 2026 at a VW Group built plant in the U.S. It is unclear whether the Audi and Scout vehicles would be assembled in the same plants. Carvana is reporting more losses in the fourth quarter. The company recorded a net loss of $806 million in Q4, bringing its overall financial losses in 2022 to $1.6 billion. Carvana's CFO says he expects to sell fewer vehicles in the first quarter of 2023 than it did in the fourth quarter of 2022 as it normalizes its inventory size, optimizes marketing spending, and works to make progress on its profitability initiatives. Ford has extended the length of its temporary closure at its Louisville assembly plant. The plant's building chairman informs employees that the plant is now expected to reopen on March 6, a week later than originally planned. The plant has been closed down for 4 consecutive weeks as it battles a software issue on the refreshed Ford Escape and Lincoln Corsair crossovers. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission says the jury verdict for Tesla CEO Elon Musk's trial win in connection to his 2018 tweet is a, quote, non sequitur. Musk has battled with the SEC over his social media posts since he tweeted in 2018 that funding was secured to take Tesla private. The SEC says Musk is reading too much into his win if he thinks the result has any bearing on a 2018 deal with the agency requiring a Tesla lawyer to screen his company-related tweets before getting posted. You may soon be able to charge your EV at many more businesses in the U.S. Subway announced plans to install EV chargers, and BP Products North America expanded its EV charging goals by acquiring Travel Centers of America. And the list of retailers, restaurant groups, and travel centers experimenting with EV chargers is still expected to grow. Businesses like Starbucks and Walmart have already launched EV charging initiatives. If you work at a dealership, listen up. If your dealership group would like to be counted among the 2023 top 150 dealership groups operating in the U.S., contact the Automotive News Research and Data Center at andatacenter@autonews.com to complete a survey by March 10th to be considered. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to autonews.com for more news, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.